So this is Trisha.
Hey.
She's I'm just playing. Like, we're back with another mukbang. We're not really that hungry.
Yeah, we're just gonna eat for like no reason. I had 3 donuts.
Weird flex, but okay. We just got back from the St. Rita Fair. Or not just got back, but yesterday.
Last night I went to the St. Rita Fair.
Yeah.
Everything.
My hands. In my throat.
My hand.
Everything. Mine is my feet.
So that was fun. So today we have pizza. Mine said everything pizza. Hers is everything pizza. Hers is pepperoni. We're just hopefully gonna like sit here and like talk about like fall or like everything because it's starting to get cold.
And then there's like a 5-minute like time span where we don't say anything and we just like eat. Okay, so we discussed this in the last video about which like fast food place we think has the best fries. She voted In-N-Out, I vote McDonald's. Trisha, which fast food place has the best fries in your opinion?
Probably McDonald's. Okay, sorry if you couldn't hear any of that she just said. She said McDonald's. Not that I'm like mad or anything that they chose McDonald's over In-N-Out, but that's fine. So just wanted to put that out there. She said McDonald's.
We need like 2 potatoes, you know, like they're
Potatoey.
real fresh. And Chick-fil-A's are too big.
I love Chick-fil-A's fries.
Yeah, their fries are really good.
There's like stuff in it. It's weird on the inside. It's really disgusting.
That is gross. Is that your cup?
Yeah. I didn't like spit pizza in there. No, we were on the boat ride and I was talking to Claire.
It's the kind of ride that goes like this.
The thing is if anybody like throws up on that ride, it's gonna like hit someone else in the face. But like literally my least favorite ride out of all the rides ever is teacup rides. Because I had a really bad experience with them one time where I got in with this random kid and he knew how to spin it like really, really fast. And like I was just like up against the thing the whole time. Then I got off. I couldn't even stand.
No, I like it. I like it was like the best ride there. But when you go down, when you're like all the way like sitting forward, and then you go down your stomach, like shit.
I love that
so much.
Okay guys, she's gone. So like really annoying yesterday. She was like being really mean and it was like really bad. Like it was like bad. And like it was just like really annoying, you know what I mean? And you know what she told me? She was like, stop. And I was like, what the heck? Like no.
Like, no, you're the annoying one. Like calm down.
What's your favorite food?
Tacos.
Really? What's your favorite food?
She said fries if you didn't hear her. It's either tacos. There's this thing that I tried. I forgot what it was called. No, it was called like crab bread. It was literally the best thing I've ever tasted. It's like crab and they put it on top of like this bread. It's like amazing.
My favorite food is spaghetti. Everyone knows that.
Comment down below what your favorite ice cream flavor is and or what your favorite food is.
Let's just like stop filming. Cause like I'm kind of like over it.
Vlog stuff. Like they have this stuff in the
See you back at my house and I'll do the outro there. Okay, hey. It's about a week after I filmed that video that you just saw and I just finished editing it. Found out I need to make an outro. So here I am right now doing an outro. Sorry if that video seemed a little off. The next couple videos you need to get excited for them because the next couple videos are going to be for holidays. So Thanksgiving and 2 Christmas videos. I'll be excited for that. And also I'd like you to like this video. Make sure you share this video with other people and my channel just in general because I'd really like to get some acknowledgement for all my hard work into this. Thank you so far to the people that have liked, commented, subscribed, put the post notifications on. I'll just see you I guess in the next video, hopefully 2 weeks from now because that's what I usually go by. Hope you like this mukbang. See you in the next video. Bye!